Hey everybody, today we're going to play around with a new toy that I found. I made the TAs help me play around with it last week and they were awesome about it. But it just seems like a new and different way to share some ideas and share our faces and see each other and share some of our home science and whatever else we're doing. So the first thing you're going to do is just open up your web browser. You can do this from a computer or you can do it from an iPad or your phone. So I'm going to show you how to do it both ways so you can do it whichever way you prefer. So on the computer, you're just going to go to, it's called Flipgrid. So you're going to go to flipgrid.com. I bet I'm going to have to, oh no, I don't have to log out. And then you're going to see down here, it says enter Flipgrid code. So you're going to enter the Flipgrid code. The code for the one I'm using today, for example, is Bartone. Let's see, I hope I got this number right, 9175. Let's see if this works. You put that in, and yep, it's the living environment grid. And then you guys are going to log in with Google. Okay, I'm going to log in using my student account. I hope that oh good, the password's saved in there because otherwise I don't remember. And then you should be looking at something that looks like this. So you have, this is the living environment grid, and the first activity here says, and if there were more than one, you would see like a drop down menu right here. You would have an arrow to drop down to have different ones, but this is the only topic on here so far. It just says say hello on Flipgrid. So welcome to Flipgrid. Tap the green plus below to help or to open the Flipgrid camera. Then record a short video and say hello and share a fun fact about yourself. You can tell me something interesting if you want. Please keep in mind that I will approve the videos, but other people will be able to see them. So don't say anything inappropriate or I won't approve it. And don't say something you don't want other people to know because everybody's going to kind of be able to see everybody else's. It will almost be like you're sharing in class. So I'll click on the green arrow. It does say it's moderated. Moderated means that I will view it before I approve it for everybody else to view. You're going to allow your camera and all of your microphone stuff. And then, and this may get echoey for me because I'm recording while I'm potentially recording, but it says you have 1 minute and 30 seconds to record your video. This topic is moderated. Again, moderated means that I'm going to approve it. So when you're ready, you can click the record button, but it's pretty cool. You can add a filter or you can pixelate yourself. You don't want to be seen. It could be all sorts of different filters, or you can take the filter off. You can add in text boxes. Here, maybe I'll record this. You can undo it if you want to undo it. Here, so we'll start a recording. I only have 1 minute and 30 seconds, so I'm going to fly through the examples here, but it will count it down for you. Hello and welcome to Flipgrid. You can type me a little message and say hello, and then you can pick that message up and move it. I think maybe you can't. So you can, yep, there we go. We can move it around during your video. You can change your colors. I really like the purple, of course. That's kind of my thing. You can draw swirly whirlies around by clicking and holding down. I could go to a whiteboard. I don't really need to do that though. Or a blackboard. I don't need to do that either. Or hi, I'm back. You could put in like emojis. You would have to add those in, but that's okay. Those came automatically on the iPad version of it. You can add a sticky note. I like this one. Hello, everyone. And then you should be able to move the sticky note around too. Okay, so that's kind of how it works. When you're done, you hit the pause button. And then I think I'm going to just move this. Yep, I'm going to move this over here. So then you see that it says next. You're going to click next. There we go. You can review the clip. You can add more. You can blah, blah, blah. You don't need to hear me twice. Click next. And then you can take a selfie. So I like to take the selfie and then put like an emoji over the selfie. So I can take this big face here and make it bigger and cover my face. And there I am. There's my selfie. So then you're all set. You have your face there. You can add an emoji. You don't have to add an emoji if you want to. It doesn't matter. You click next. and that will, it says don't close it, preparing the video. You can put your name in. So I'm gonna change it to Bartone 1 because I'm going to do another example on the iPad, so then I'm going to have Bartone 2. You don't need to put a title in if you don't want to. You don't need to put a link to anything else in, but if there's a reason you wanted someone to see something, you could put a link to another website in there, and then you submit the video. Congratulations, Bartone 1. So you are good to go. And then you've completed it. So obviously right away, you're not going to see anything until I go in and moderate it. But you also can do this on your iPad. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So on your phone or on your iPad, you're going to download the app Flipgrid, which looks like a big green plus sign right there. So you're going to click on it, and this is what it should look like once you download it. So here we go. I'm going to show you how this works. So, same thing as on the computer. When you're putting it in, you're going to put in your Flipgrid code. So the Flipgrid code, and again, I will put the Flipgrid code out there for you, so it's not like you have to remember this code. The Flipgrid code is Bartone9175 for Living Environment Kids. Put that in. Same thing, we're going to log in with Google. It might be confused on my iPad because I don't know that I've used my student account on my iPad. And I haven't, and I probably don't know the email or the password, so I'm going to just use my teacher account on this one, which could be a little confusing, but here it is. Same thing that we saw before. You can scroll down, you can start a video. This is a terrible angle for a video, but I'll turn it around. There we go. So same thing, you're going to hit the record button. You can add in all sorts of different filters if you want. You can add in words if you want. I miss you guys. I think I only have 90 seconds again, so I better hurry up. I can move it over there. Oh, that's not spelled right. That's okay. On here, you can add in all sorts of stickers. I'll add in my little scientist girl. Come on. Oh, that's just the example. Let's see. Oh, maybe I'll just be an astronaut today. That'll be fun. You could be an astronaut. There we go. There it is. You can make it bigger by swiping it, bigger or smaller. You can move it around. Same thing. This on the iPad, you can doodle in like the rainbow, which I really like. So watch, it will change as you doodle. I can't figure out how to do that on the computer, but I really like that feature. You can add images. So I have obviously lots of pictures of the dogs there. You can add images, and then same thing. You can go to the whiteboard. You can go to the blackboard if I needed to, or something like that. You also still have your sticky notes up here. Just kidding. This one is your sticky notes, so you can type into your sticky notes. And then you can move that around as well. This can go away. Okay, and I'm running out of time, and it tells me I'm running out of time. I got 6 seconds left, so I'm going to stop it. And then same thing, I should have the option in the bottom right corner to move along to review it. And then I'm not going to edit it. You could edit it if you said something silly. You could edit that right out. You can take your selfie. Oh, that's a good one. Jeez. And then this is going to be, I'm going to put it in as Bartone 2. Okay, and then same thing as before. It's pretty similar. You submit the video. Don't close the app. Hopefully my Wi-Fi holds out and isn't a jerk. That's a really good selfie, I gotta tell you. Oh, it's moving. Oh, it's moving. I feel like I should play the Jeopardy music. Do, 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 do. It is creeping along. Creepy, creepy, creeping. And the cool thing about this is once that I check the videos and I approve them, then you can come back and look at other people's videos and see what they said. So we might use this going forward. Today we're just kind of using it for fun. We are probably going to use it going forward because I really want to get into the last few weeks of school. I want to get into some real life science. So what's going on in your yard? What kind of science are you doing in your kitchen? What kind of science is happening anywhere? So I want to do a little bit more real world science stuff. And so that is why I want to get this going, because I think it'll be a lot easier for everybody to share all of their videos without having to do anything crazy. So this is still preparing, as you can see, but it's getting closer and closer and closer. Yay, so it says, congrats Bartone 2, this topic is moderated again, so you'll have to wait to see that it worked. If you wanted to add another one, you could add another one, so you could always return to the grid, and you can just click on that big green plus sign, and you will be off and running. So I hope you kind of have a little bit of fun with this. It's just something different I thought we would try. We're trying some new things with all the distance learning stuff, so I thought we might as well try another new thing. Those of you who have been participating are really doing a nice job kind of working through all this new stuff, so I figured no time like the present to try some new stuff. I hope you're all doing well, and I will see you all soon. Hopefully I'll see your smiling faces on Flipgrid.